Alright guys, so we're back in the ST, and I believe this is like the 7th revision. I'm just going to do a quick pull. This video is going to be pretty short, but I'll just do a quick pull just to show you where it's at right now. That one was pretty good, but I didn't power shift from first to second, or not power shift, but flat foot shift. So I'm gonna try it one more time. So it's kind of hard trying to hold the camera and the steering wheel at the same time, but that's where we're at right now, and I will keep you guys updated. Don't forget to subscribe to make sure you're watching these new videos when they come out. Thanks.